Hi YouTube. We're gonna do Seahaven. This song's called The Moon. Starts out with a bend of the B. Then it goes. I messed up on a couple of things you're gonna teach me. Riff of the whole song is this E at the 7th fret in the 9th fret, and then they just walk it down to an E flat. So they just slide it down on the 6th and the 8th. All right, now there's at least 3 guitars playing on the recording. In live, I think they have 2 guitars. So just realize you're gonna have to pick one or of the other of the parts. The singer, I think, is playing the clean guitar, and I think it's just playing more like muted kind of riffs, like this. And then the other guitar, I believe, is playing like more distortion, and it's like. I'm just playing at the 9th, and I'm playing at the 10th on the G. And then I pull off, and I'm playing the 9 on the G and the B. That's that. Also, I should mention that the the lead guitar also at some points uses an E-bow sustainer. They show it in the video, and you can hear it. All right, so they go through like 2 verses, and then they bend the B again. But basically, this whole song is just a big vamp or a jam on this riff. Because when you have notes this close together, like, that means the devil's in the house. It's kind of spooky. All right, and that's a lot of what they're playing. After I think 2 sets of verses, they go in a breakdown, and they play. And that's just some kind of scale. I'm playing the E note at the 7th on the A string. Playing the 9th and 10th. Then on the D string, I played the 7, 9, 10. They do that. It's kind of a breakdown, and then at one point they play a C, which is, I guess, an extent, just similar to playing the B. They play a C. Just to, I guess, make it more kind of nasty. And then they go back to the, if you wanted to like try to emulate both guitars, but like I said, they got 2 guitars essentially doing that. Then there's a couple solos, but one, it's not really a solo, it's arpeggio they're playing. That's just barring at the 12th fret. Then you hammer on to the 15th and the 14th. Then you pull off. And I think in the later in the song, when the lead guitar is playing a lot of solos, I think they're playing a lot of it here. They're playing like stuff like that. Okay, that's basically the whole song. All right, I'm not gonna break down every minute of it, but it's basically a big kind of jam on that one riff. So I like it. All right, and the good lyrics too. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.